Hey, I'm John Young, co-founder of Abbott and Wallace Distilling. It's March 1st, you know what that means? Lenten season. Just kidding, warmer weather and St. Patrick's Day are on the way, and we're throwing down the gauntlet. We challenge you to an Irish cream Irish cream making competition. Participants in the Irish cream competition will be given 200 milliliters of Abbott and Wallace's malt whiskey, distilled from a left-hand beer wash, no hops. It's delicious, malty, chocolatey, smooth, and amazing. It'll go great in your Irish coffee, Irish cream. So participants, our entries are due March 17th for St. Patrick's Day. We will try the cream straight up. But also, as an Irish coffee, 1-to-1 with our malt whiskey, and top that thing up with coffee. Oh, it's been a long day, but had just enough. So I hope you join us March 17th for St. Patrick's Day. Join the competition. Sláinte.